Python modules are essential for organizing code into separate files, enhancing readability and maintainability. They allow developers to group related functions, classes, and variables, promoting code reuse. By importing modules, you can access their functionality across different parts of your application, streamlining development and reducing redundancy. Python modules are essential for structuring applications. They allow developers to organize related functions, classes, and variables into separate files, promoting cleaner and more maintainable code. Understanding how to create and utilize modules effectively is crucial for efficient Python programming. A Python module is a file with a .py extension containing reusable code like functions, classes, or variables. It's akin to a toolbox, offering specialized tools without needing to recreate them. For instance, mymodule.py with mathematical functions can be imported anywhere, enhancing code organization and efficiency. Modules simplify complex programs by breaking them into manageable components, enhancing understanding and debugging. They promote reusability, allowing code to be written once and used across projects, saving time. Maintainability is improved as updates in one module benefit all dependent programs. Namespace control prevents naming conflicts, essential for professional Python development and efficient team collaboration. Visualizing modular architecture is akin to assembling a puzzle. Before modules, programs were monolithic, making navigation and debugging arduous. Reusability was limited, and team collaboration was challenging. With modules, files are organized by functionality, simplifying issue resolution, and enabling easy imports. This structure enhances team workflows, making Python development more efficient and collaborative. Creating a module involves defining functions in a file, like calculator.py, with operations such as add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Import this module in main.py to utilize these functions, enhancing code organization and reusability. For instance, calculator.add open parenthesis 10,5 close parenthesis returns 15, demonstrating seamless integration and functionality.